Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Canvas. Canvas is a visual workspace inside Obsidian that lets you lay out notes, cards, and media on an infinite board. Instead of thinking in linear documents, you can see your ideas spatially, which makes it much easier to understand relationships, structure projects, and brainstorm visually. First, open Obsidian. Once you're inside your vault, head down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Inside Settings, go to Core Plugins. This is where Obsidian's built-in features are managed. Scroll through the list until you find Canvas and make sure it's enabled. If the toggle is off, switch it on. Once Canvas is enabled, Obsidian unlocks a new file type and a set of commands that let you create and manage visual boards. While you're still in Settings, it's worth setting up hotkeys to speed things up later. Go to the Hotkeys section and search for Canvas. You'll see all related commands listed there. Click the plus icon next to any command you want and assign a shortcut that feels natural to you. Try to choose keys that are easy to remember and don't conflict with existing shortcuts. If there is a conflict, Obsidian will warn you so you can adjust it. Now that Canvas is enabled and your hotkeys are set, you're ready to create your first board. Use your hotkey or open the command palette and create a new Canvas file. A blank, infinite board will open. Think of this as your visual workspace. You can move around freely by dragging the background and zoom in or out using your trackpad or mouse wheel. This flexibility is what makes Canvas powerful. You're not locked into a linear structure anymore. To start adding content, you can either drag items directly onto the board or use the Add controls. Everything you place can be freely repositioned, resized, and grouped. You'll usually work with three main types of elements. First, Add Card, which creates a simple text block. This is perfect for quick ideas, brainstorming notes, or temporary placeholders. Second, Add Note from Vault, which lets you pull in existing notes. These stay linked to your original files, so any edits you make are always synced across your vault. And third, Add Media from Vault, which allows you to insert images, PDFs, or other files. This is especially useful for research, visual references, or planning creative projects. As you build your canvas, try grouping related ideas together. You can zoom out to see the full structure of your project, or zoom in to focus on specific sections. This back and forth movement helps you think more clearly about how everything connects. A helpful habit is to start messy. Just drop ideas onto the board first, then refine the structure once everything is visible. To wrap it up, you enabled the Canvas plugin, set your hotkeys, created a new board, and started adding cards, notes, and media. From here, you can use Canvas for brainstorming, planning, mapping projects, or building visual systems inside Obsidian. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.